Hello everyone, in our fourth video in our series MBAM and BitLocker tips and questions. And thank you for Hisham Jadallah who asked this question. How can I get MBAM and how to configure the self-service that you mentioned in the video? So we will answer this question. In fact, the MBAM, it doesn't come as isolated software. It's a part of something it's called Microsoft Desktop Optimization Pack. We said it's MDOP. Okay, so the MDOP, okay, it's a collection of applications that Microsoft released for the customer, and it's not for the public, by the way, to deploy and to manage. As you can see, in the MDOP is a benefit of Windows Software Assurance for volume licensed customers only. I mean, you cannot find it as a separate software or for the public. So you must to have volume license account in the volume license service center to download it. Once you download the MDOP, okay, you have to search about the MDOP. You will find that the MDOP contains multiple of component. One of these component is the MBAM, BitLocker and BitLocker administration and monitoring. So as MBAM, you cannot install it separately. You have to install MDOP from your volume license service center. Then you can use MDOP. And for the second part, how to configure the self-service that you mentioned in the video. In fact, it's during the installation, okay, this step, it will appear during the installation of the MBAM. It will ask you about the self-service portal. So in the self-service portal, it will ask you about to provide this information, because as you know, this is a part of the IIS, so it will containing, or it need to be installed in the IIS. So it will be configuring the self-service portal for you. Then you can publish to the client. And by the way, after you finish the installation, you can customize the self-service portal, and this URL from Microsoft, you can use it to go to customize your self-service portal for your organization. For example, if you want to change the picture, or for example to add any customization based on your request, to change the text, for example message or whatever. I hope this information is enough for you, and as we mentioned always, please, if you have any question, just please drop it me, email, or type it in the comments, so it will be my pleasure to answer your question. Thank you very much for watching.